But here it is. This is the Argus 3, and just look at how little this thing is. It's also really shiny and sleek looking. I like that. It comes with everything that you need to set it up and mount it. It even includes straps, so you can strap this thing to like a tree or a pole if you need to. It is weatherproof, so it's the perfect outdoor camera. The camera itself has a quarter thread on the back, so you can actually mount this to like any other accessory. I mean, you can mount this thing on like other tripods or other like selfie sticks if you need like a crazy angle, and that would be the best way to do it. There's also a USB port for charging, and you also have a slot right here for a microSD card for that direct recording on the unit, and then there's a switch to power it on and off. There is a 4K 8 megapixel camera on here with infrared lights for nighttime shots, but there's also a very powerful light on the top. There is a microphone to capture the sound and a speaker on the back so that you can actually talk back and forth between whoever's on the other end of it. Or you can even set an alert or a siren, and it's really loud and obnoxious, so if you need to scare someone away, that's gonna do it. And I have to say, the microphone quality on this is really good, like really good. This is what it sounds like, by the way. This is coming from the unit itself, and yeah, so I can have a good visualization of the yard